What's up, guys? It's Dr. Lumbakeddo, friend of Nebulous DungleSmash. So I'm gonna function at the big mansion tonight, and we're all gonna get big, bro. We're gonna get big.
Weed every day.
And so right now, you caught me kind of a little bit early, you know. I'm just sitting here, and I'm waiting for the Nebulous gang to show up, bro. So they should be here any minute. So we'll just wait for them together, okay?
Okay.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Minecraft gummies, yo, while we're waiting for the Nebulous gang. MF Dude loves these things, bro. MF Dude loves these and the bluey gummies, bro. The bluey gummies are where it's at. That makes MF Dude spit bars on bars on bars, okay? But he should be coming to that door any second, bro, if we just give him one more minute, okay?
Yummy.
It is your boy Lumbakeddos here, and I'm here with a fellow YouTuber. His name is Derpy Fox Gaming. Say hello, Derpy.
Hello-sies.
Yes, this is Derpy. He's amazing, and we are going to do Revenge of the Pumpkin. Yes.
I've
let's
never
do
played.
this.
I've never played this game in my whole life.
Are you sure about that?
Basically, you left click on it. You click, and then join the one that says 10, okay, or 15.
Wait one more minute, guys. They'll be here in just one minute.
Server. Are you in there?
Or is it 10? No. Oh my God! It made me join.
Which one did you join?
150.
Will the Nebulous crew show up in 1 minute like Dr. Lumbakeddo is
I'm
saying?
joining one that's 84.
Nope.
Which one is it?
This is my second favorite
And
YouTuber
I'm gonna leave.
after Nebulous DungleSmash. Actually, it's my third favorite YouTuber after
Okay.
Nebulous and
Go-
MF Dude,
go
okay?
lobby.
They have the best
Go
YouTubers,
to,
okay?
go to lobby.
Hold on.
Go to lobby 23, and then I'll party you, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god, bro.
Party.
Derby Fox 33. Derby underscore Fox 33.
Alright.
My friends will be here in just 1 minute, guys, okay? Just wait one more minute.
Capital D.
Capital D and
Alright, D. E-R-P-Y. Derpy.
Derpy underscore Fox underscore 33.
Underscore, and is that a capital F?
Yeah.
The Nebulous gang will be here lickety-split, guys. Don't even worry about it.
Alright, are you in lobby 33?
I don't think it matters. I'm in lobby 31.
Alright, locating Derpy Fox Gaming 33. Did you get that?
Nope.
Nope.
Uh,
Oh no, wait. Oh wait. No, that's not it.
Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a Nebulous Dungle shit, bro. I'll be right back.
33.
No, the Nebulous gang will be here very soon, guys. Just be
I'm in
patient.
lobby 23.
Oh, great counting. Okay, I'm in lobby 23.
33. Oh yeah, 23. Alright, here we go. Up. There you go, I just have there.
Did you invite me?
Yeah, I invited you.
It doesn't say. Okay, what's your username?
There you go.
Oh, there we go.
The Nebulous gang will be here any minute, guys, okay? New Nebulous DungleSmash videos coming daily. They're coming fast. They're coming, bro. Just wait one more minute for the Nebulous gang to show up, okay? And then you'll be delivered a fire video.
Derpy Fox showing party.
Alright, hey guys, it is Lumbakeddos here. I am sorry my last video was laggy. And let's go into this game. I am here with the boy, Derpy Fox Gaming, the best person on earth.
Yeah, yep. I'm the best person there.
Okay.
Sounds like Derpy.
I can't join. Alright, there.
There
There you go. We joined the smallest one that there was, but we can wait for children to join us.
Yeah.
Oh,
You serious?
Oh, I forgot. I am not so hard.
Yeah, I don't have anything. I only have 710 gems. This thing is
Alright.
5.
Yeah. Wait, there's teams now?
Really?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, they were all in players' teams. Alright, yeah. We're just
The Nebulous gang will be here any minute, guys, okay? The Nebulous gang is on their way.
Beautiful.
And they're gonna join Dr. Lumbakeddo and his Lumbake Mansion. We're gonna film a fire video, okay?
Oh my gosh, hang on, let me check.
You know what's
The Nebulous DungleSmash is on his way here right now. As we speak.
Oh my god.
And we're gonna deliver a fire video, bro. We're gonna deliver you a fire video.
A group of hunters, yep, I remember that.